It's weird because, like I said before, I've not seen anything within the past couple. I've not seen anything within the past couple. I've not seen anything within the past couple.
What the fuck was that? No, I get banging downstairs.
No.
Something fell over.
I heard like a. It was like a brawl in a way.
Mate, either something fell down there, or we're dealing with a tiger ghost.
Do you guys want to stay up here? We'll try to be as silent as possible.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out downstairs a minute.
Do feel